So here's my 2015 Fargo that I bought new. Out of all my bikes, I would say this is the most versatile bike I own. It does a little bit of everything very well, from gravel rides to bike packing to mild single track to touring. It's just a great all-around bike. I wouldn't say it's a great road bike, but it does handle it well. It's very comfortable. It's very neutral. It's also very confidence inspiring, has a very smooth and supple ride, and handles very well. Some of the things that I've done to it, I changed the wheels, stands, and Hope 4 hubs. If I had the money, I'd put Hope 4 hubs on all my bikes. I love those hubs. I switch back and forth between the bars they come with, which is the Salsa wood chippers to the cow chippers. Ultimately, I went back to the wood chippers because they fit this bike very well for how it handles and what it does. Put a Brooks C17 on. Love that saddle. It's a great one. It's actually one of the first generations with the natural bottom and the cotton top that's still working great, and it's very comfortable. The Salsa alternator rack, great stable rack. It's very sturdy, hasn't even budged. I mean, it holds panniers. I even put my 20-pound dog on the back in a basket. Handles it very well. I kept all the SRAM X7 components on it yet. They're still holding up well. I'd probably say the bike has 5,000 miles plus on it. No hiccups. I did put a new bottom bracket and a couple chains, but it's original drivetrain. Avid BB7 brakes. Absolutely love them. I think they're the best mechanical brakes, hands down. I also have the TRPs on some other bikes. If you know how to adjust the BB7s, they are phenomenal brakes with great stopping power for cable. Bunch of Revelate stuff I have on it. These are the original feed bags and gas tank. Just goes to show you how great these products are, still standing the test this time. No tears, zippers still work. They work great. One of the nice things that I have too is Salsa used to work with Revelate. This is a bag that they made together. And a tire that's very well equipped for this bike is the Gravel King Pan Racer SKs. This is in a size 50, which actually works out to be a 2.0. Works great for this bike. I've had a lot of different tires on this bike, and it complements the bike very, very well. Gives it good traction, least amount of rolling resistance, has a really nice supple ride. They are set up tubeless, like them a lot. Also have a Thompson seat post on it, which works very well. You know, tried and true. Other than that, I can't really say it. The bike has done everything I've ever asked it to do, with style and grace, comfort. You know, if you want a bike that's going to do a little bit of everything very well, it's definitely a bike to have. I mean, I always call it the Beast because it just feels like it can tackle anything and just do it. It's just a cool, fun bike.